Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the community of Bridgeland, which is located in Cypress, Texas. Now, the home that we are currently viewing is built by Chesmar Homes, and it is called the Orlando. Now, this beauty is a four-bedroom, three-bath home. It's a little over 2,000 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the low $400,000 range. Now, remember, Bridgeland is going to be zoned to three different school districts. They are Cy-Fair ISD, Waller ISD, and KDI ISD is coming soon. Now, this home is going to be situated in the Waller ISD district, but that could change in the future because KDISD is going to be zoned to that area as well in the Perryland Village section of Bridgeland. So, the current schools that this home is zoned to is going to be Roberts Rhodes Elementary, Waller Junior High, and Waller High School. Now, if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Enjoy the rest of the tour, and also make sure you leave any kind of comments below regarding this home or any real estate questions. Have a wonderful day.